Hello guys, in this video I still want to talk about how I using Claude Code and Codex for my own business. So it's been almost half a year I started using AI agents, and it's been a long journey. So I've creating a lot of new process, automation and tools. Um, yeah, so recently it's getting hard and harder to maintain everything. Especially I noticed that in AI agent, this period like almost that's so powerful, and also in coming times, the idea is really important. No matter if you're a big business and a small business, I'm not saying that's breakthrough ideas. It's about how to using AI agents. So idea like this. So how do you making effective tools and automation that's actually practical and powerful and useful for your business. So that's what really matters. So I come up with a system. So in the past, I think 2 weeks ago, I started give access to my team members, but with cautious, right? I give very limited um, permission. So only 3 team members has Codex. We are like 15 team members. I only grant 3 for the Codex. So I set up Codex workplace and I share that workplace with them. And it's still like very little permission, so I'm not giving like a lot of credits. So it's more like testing run. So I still want to have more control and do a more cautious way. But I still want to our team members to contribute. So we create this team hub. That's more like internal team operation platform. So it's not a CRM. And so for this team hub, and as you see that we built almost like 3 months. So we keep adding features, keep adding the tools and the automation. So we're using this to managing all our automation and tools. And so basically this is a 2 feedback system. So what's good about this thing is actually I want our team members to contribute. So because all our tools and our automation is actually built for them. So I want to build something really practical. Say, for everyone, please go to these 2 feedback ideas. So we want to maintain, right? And then they just go there and select the tools or the automation that we have. So this is all the automation and team and the tools that we have. And then they also can contribute a new 2 ideas. And in this way, so on the team hub, so it's already sorted. And then every week I just run Claude Code once, probably on Sunday. And then Claude Code will check all those feedbacks and come up with a plan. So what the issues that we need to fix, and what features that we need to add, what new tools that we need to add to our existing systems. And then this is just so once I approve, so Codex will build, and then Claude Code will evaluate, and then it ships live. So this is the whole system, and this is make things so easy, make the whole system so easy as we come up with more tools and more automation. And then probably in the future, then we basically 1 idea, and 1 week we ship the idea, the feature ideas. So we will have like very, very customized and personalized software like system, right? So this all software stack that's only built for my own business and only built for my employees' needs. And so I may come up with a tool I also put in this system as well. The idea is really, really important. So in the future, I assume that most of our team or most of the employees will transition from someone work in a business, so they will work from on the business as well as like owner. So they basically in charge of the tools and the automation they create. So that way will maximize their performance and also efficiency as well. All right, so that's just my quick updates on how I using Cloud Code and Codex. So if you have any suggestion or comments or ideas, just comment below. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.